Hello, children. Hope so. You all are keeping safe at home. Today, we will start our new chapter, chapter 13, Up in the Sky. From the name itself, children, it is very clear. We will talk about the things which we see in the sky. Now you will say, we see sometimes aeroplane flying in the sky or the birds. Yes, we see. But we will talk about the permanent things or the things which we always see in the sky, and they are sun, moon, stars. So let us go through. Let's get going. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, children, the dash is shining brightly today, and you can see the picture what it is of and which shines brightly. Yes, it is sun. The sun shines. The sun is shining brightly today. Now, number 2, the dash is looking like a big round ball. What can you see in the picture? Yes, it's a moon. The moon is looking like a big round ball. Now, number 3, the dash are twinkling in the sky. So, what twinkles in the sky? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes, they are stars. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Now, let's go through the chapter. Whenever we stand in an open place and look up, we see the sky. We see many different things in the sky at different times. During the day, we see the sun in the sky and the sky looks bright. So, during daytime, what can we see in the sky, children? Every day we can see sun. Okay, so the thing which we can see in the sky is sun, which we can see at the daytime. Now at night, if you will see, can you find the sun? No, that time we find moon and the stars, okay? And the sky looks dark at that time. During daytime, the sky looks bright, and during night time, the sky looks dark. And during night time, we can see the moon and the stars. Now, let us go through sun. What is sun? Yes, children, you will be surprised to know that sun is a big ball of fire, and it is very big as compared to our earth. Now you will think the sun looks small and the earth on which we live is very big, but children, sun is very big in size. It looks small because it is far away from us. So, the sun is a big ball of fire. That is why it shines so brightly. So, children, sun is a big ball of fire, and it is very big if we compare it to our earth also. And the sun gives us light and heat. Both we get from the sun. During daytime, we do not need to put on the light because sun's light is there, and sometimes we also sit in the heat of the sun during winter season. So sun gives us both heat and light, and both light and heat are very important for all living things. Plants also grow because of the sunlight. Sunlight is required by the plants, okay? Now, every morning you can find the sun rising from the east, and we call it the rising of the sun is called sunrise. So, during daytime only, morning time only, you will see the sun coming, and then it disappears at evening time. The sun sets down. Every evening, the sun sets in the west, and the setting of the sun is called sunset. So we can find sun from the morning till late evening. After that, we cannot see sun. That time we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. And children, you have to remember this also, that the sun rises from the east and the sun sets in the west, and the rising of the sun is called sunrise and the setting of the sun is called sunset. Now, children, let's go to moon. After the sunset, we see the moon in the sky. So, it is clear, children, we can see the moon in the sky during night time, and the shape of the moon changes every night. Below are some shapes of moon. You can see, children, from full moon it is half moon, then crescent moon and new moon. So when you don't see moon at all, full moon is Purnima. Then you can see the half part. You go in the balcony and have a look at the moon. Every day you will find the moon is changing its shape. When you will see the full moon, that is on Purnima, you can call it full moon. Then after few days you will find half moon. Then slowly and gradually it will become more smaller, and you can call it out crescent moon. And at last you won't be able to see moon in the sky. That is new moon, that falls on Amavasya. You can even ask your parents, they will help you. Now, stars. Stars are the other things which we can see in the sky during night time. At night, we also see many stars twinkling in the sky. We can see one moon. We have one moon, but stars are many in number. We can see the stars twinkling in the sky, and stars are in the sky during the day too, but we cannot see them. So during daytime also they are there where their position is, but we cannot see them. And this is because of the bright sunlight. Now children, let's come to why they look small. The sun, the moon and the stars, they are all actually very big, and they look small because they are very far away from us. I told you, children, that as sun is far away from us, it looks very small. But in actual, sun is bigger than our earth also. And moon, stars, they are also very big in size, but they look small because they are at distant place. So this much for today, children. We will continue with the next part of the chapter along with the exercises in our next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.